In modern culinary culture, food quality has become the primary factor for consumers to consider. Consumers' demands for taste and flavor are increasingly high, and they need to taste fresh, delicious, and innovative food. Therefore, food processing companies need to constantly innovate and improve to meet consumers' needs and expectations. By using our food-grade flavor, you can produce food products with better texture and richer flavor. Our flavor uses top-notch global technology, undergoes strict quality control, and meets international standards to meet every consumer's taste buds. Our flavor not only enhances the taste and flavor of food but also maintains its stability and safety, and has a wide range of applications. Our food-grade flavor can be used to produce various types of food such as cakes, biscuits, chocolates, drinks, etc., adding infinite flavors to your products. In the Vietnamese market, many food processing companies have successfully used our flavor to produce more delicious products. Vietnam, as an economic powerhouse in Southeast Asia, has a rapidly developing food market due to the constantly changing demands of consumers. Our food-grade flavor can help Vietnamese food processing companies achieve excellence in quality and flavor and keep up with the times, whether it's cakes, biscuits, chocolates, or any other food category. Our flavor can bring you a renowned delicious experience and make your products stand out from numerous competitors. Please feel free to contact us to learn more about our food-grade flavor and its application cases in the Vietnamese market. We will listen to your needs and provide professional solutions and technical support to create even more delicious food together.